What up, though? This your boy Cheddar Man from Loud Crowd Exotics, Cheddar Man Films, dope shirts, etc., etc. You know what I mean? What's going on, y'all? Today, it's gonna be a decent video. You know what I'm saying? We're going to my guys' their first annual car show, the Dream Team. That's what they call themselves. You know what I'm saying? About to go show some support and see what type of whips is out here today. You know what I'm saying? I just finally cleaned my car out, y'all. Remember the last video I told y'all I haven't cleaned my car out since I got it wrapped. I finally cleaned it, you know what I'm saying? It looks pretty decent. I didn't get to really wipe my car down, so I went to AutoZone, got me some microfibers, and I'm just pretty much gonna dust it off, you feel me? I ain't had time to do all that, man. Plus I'm solo, so I gotta do what I gotta do, you feel me? My cousin was supposed to come with me, but he bailed out on me, so you know, gotta go get this footage by myself, baby. I ain't tripping, you feel what I'm saying? I'm about to see what type of toys they get out here and see if your boy maybe can take one home today. You know what I'm saying? Depends on how it go, you know? Ain't no telling, you know what I mean? Today a good day too, man. Not too hot. Well, I can't say that because I haven't been in direct sun, but you know, it should be a decent day today, you know what I mean? Hopefully. I'm riding down 8 Mile right now. The car show was at Tycoon's. So, and that's a strip club too, y'all. So we're gonna pull up in there and see what everything's about. And oh yeah, before I forget, everybody that's been copping the merch from the website, loudcrowdexotics.com, I really appreciate that. Follow us on all social media platforms, Loud Crowd Media and Loud Crowd Exotics. You know what I'm saying? And we on TikTok too, man. You know what I'm saying? Help us run these numbers up, y'all. You feel me? Other than that, thanks y'all for the support. Appreciate y'all. Y'all actually, she was kind of cute. Y'all actually making it happen for us, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate that love. I'm about to pull up here shortly. Yeah, I'm about to pull up here shortly. I gotta pay attention to this road because I don't want to hit no potholes riding on these Ruchis. But yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all shortly once I get here and get in and settle, and then I get to showing y'all these whips. Yeah. We up here at the car show. It's going down. You feel me? A lot of copyright going on, so I ain't gonna talk too much, but you know, it's definitely going down. Hey, tell them what's going on today, nigga.
First that dream team, first on your car show. You going crazy on 8 Mile, baby. Turn up, you hear me? Be loud, baby.